As you can see, there are two ducks. They're walking on the path. They're waddling on the path. Wiggle woggle, wiggle woggle. This is amazing. No. I'm sorry, this is my first time doing a video on nature. So please bear with me. But these, I don't know what kind of ducks these are. If anybody can tell or knows, then please let me know. But there's two of them. One has a green beak and stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna try to see if I can get it a little bit closer on them, because they just have passed by me. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'll just follow the ducks, see where they go. I'm not chasing them because, in nature we don't chase the animals. We look after the animals. We protect the animals. As you can see, here are trees. Lots of trees and bushes. And the dirt. There's a pathway over there. I'm not sure where it goes. I don't want to take it because I'll get lost. Here are the ducks. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. If you can tell, if anybody can tell what ducks they are, please let me know. Thank you. They just are walking non-stop. You see, there's duck. He's got a green face. And there's another duck. They were walking side by side. I'm just gonna wait until I know, because I don't want to scare them away. But see how they're searching? They're looking for, I'm guessing they're looking for food. And there's a bird that just crossed their path. Just walked across, not flew, but walked. I'm just following these ducks. I'm not going to chase them because we do not chase the animals. We don't scare the animals because I don't want to scare them. But look at this. Isn't that fascinating? Up, and that one went into the shade, shook his tail. The other one is, I have no idea what they're looking for. But they are so amazing to look at, aren't they? I'm guessing they're friends because they're walking side by side. In the meantime, look at that. That's a squirrel up in the tree. I have no idea what he's doing, but that's okay. Hold on.